Hello my lovely friends, I hope you are happy to see me and my videos, and I hope you already subscribed my YouTube channel and given your likes below my videos and comments, because here I'm sharing my best experience with the binary options, how to make money online from anywhere in the world. And by the way, today in this video I will show you how you can make your own profit with super different strategy, how you can copy my strategy and use them for your own profitable session. So friends, if you want to become part of my community and want know more info attaching binary options and different kind of platforms, especially Quotex binary, what I love to trade with, come to my Telegram channel, text me there, be a part, and I will add you to my VIP chat where we can learn all together, and you going to be part of my beautiful community who is already making their own profit. So friends, I'm so excited for today's video, for today's trading session. Hope you are watching it with me and giving me support, because I really also need it. So watch this video till the end. Let's begin. My lovely friends, welcome back. Happy to see this video for you and see you here. Really glad. I'm sure that many of you have already heard that it's really good if you follow some kind of strategy while you're trading, right? And that's exactly why I prepare an excellent and amazing strategy for you today, friends. Wow, so for this strategy I want to choose just two tools. See over here, I want to choose Donchian channel indicator and period for 20, absolutely enough. Yes, and that's why I will go to the list of indicator and choose one more tool, and that will be a stochastic oscillator. Yes, you know that this is also a rather popular tool, and here default settings are also enough for my trading session. Yes. So I'm done with these two indicators, and let's go choose some currency pairs, of course. So there I will find some interesting currency. For example, one can be a good choice for us, this one. Let's choose. Yes, I like this volatile market. See this chart? It can be rather interesting to follow the patterns. That's why I will pin up this pair. Let's choose some more. Great Britain pound and US dollar. With this fixed tag would be perfect. Yes. Oh, you see the situation is rather interesting. So this is a long term, it's a downtrend here, but this price here has broken the resistance level. Okay, after this the price went down and locally it is looking up here, so it's a perfect chart. Wow, definitely I'll pin it. Will pin this pair. I think that's my first trade I will do over here. You see stochastic is looking up, yeah, and the candles are growing higher to the upper band of Donchian channel. So after this correction will be soon. That's why I'll trade here with $110. Yeah, from this moment, friends, be ready to go to open right now and see what we can do. Well, the first result I like. First trade for this trading session, it is in a profit. Really amazing strategy with a really good signals. Exactly here I did a technical analysis where I saw that the growth of this price has stopped a little bit, right? And after this you see this red candles and the price has fallen here. So now I think that I want to do one more trade here again, because you see this intersection at stochastic oscillator that confirms us my signals, and exactly here I want to trade with already 200. Why not? And make a really cool deal now, friends. Are you ready? Here, be ready for call option right now, and let's go. Well, yes, amazing result. You see step by step the price is slowly going to the upper line of Donchian channel, right? By the way, anyway, this growth of the price has stopped, and now we see here short candles. This is amazing chart. Wow. Let's see how the situation here and now. Let's go to euro and Switzerland franc, and let's see how the situation is done. Pair hasn't got a fixed tag, but you see that now it has 82 payout. It's also good. Here we can also see a volatile market, and we can follow these patterns, and from this we can gain our profit. Okay, so you see now stochastic is rather high, and these candles reached the pretty high point, right? So that's why price is starting falling down. Let's make a trade here with the $360, as the market is rather confident today. It feels so good, and now let's open a trade in up direction, friends. Be ready to go option right now. Oh well, friends, unfortunately here we have a return, but don't be worried, please. Such situation also happen. You saw it many times. Sometimes it's just better to search for another situation. Don't be worried, just better to search different charts. So now let's go to euro and US dollar. Maybe here we can make a really good trade and see a perfect entry point. Yes, here the situation is also interesting. I like it. Let's see chart. Also see some similars can be noticed between these two pairs. And we see here this intersection and the stochastic oscillator. Wow, after this the price is slowly going down step by step. Wow. Here again I want to make a trade same with the same investment, also $360 will be my investment, will be enough. So be ready to put option right now. Well, this is perfect. This time we are in a profit, and that's excellent because we have here a perfect signal to enter the deal, right? Friends, speaking about these signals, I have got a Telegram club. Don't forget that you can follow, and I welcome you there. There you can see my signals that I share with you on the regular basis. Even if I'm not trading, you can use them anytime, and I very truthfully analyze all chart, all currency pair, and I select best signals for you in my Telegram channel. So I definitely recommend to follow and be part of my community and watch me there. By the way, here I want to make one more trade as I see this chart exactly one more perfect entry point. You see some patterns here is amazing. That's why exactly on this graph this candle starting to form. I want to make one more trade, but here I want to trade with $650 because this time is now, friends, be ready to call option right now because I'm very confident and I want to do it right now. Yes, rather risky trade, but we are in a profit. Oh my god, amazing result, friends. You see, look at my balance. Now I have more than 1,200 on my account. This is a so perfect result, and I think you can have the same result if you just follow the rules of technical analysis, and definitely recommend you to try this strategy. And you see, it gives very reliable signals. And meanwhile, I want to make one more trade with the euro and Switzerland franc. What do you say? Let's go and see. Let's go back to this currency pair. Maybe this time it will be more precise with our decision. Here we will be. Let's see the chart. Here we can see that this growth of the prices continue. And here I want to make one more trade, one huge trade I want to do here with $1,000. Okay, this time I want to make a trade in up direction, friends, and be ready to call option right now and see what we can earn. Well, this is perfect result, and we are in a profit. Look, 2000 on my account. So now you understand how important it is to add here a certain strategy while you are trading on binary option. That's why I definitely recommend you to use this strategy with a Donchian and Stochastic Oscillator, friends. Now, when I see this growth of this candle, now it is rather full. And here I think I want to make one more trade. Again, when this new candle is forming, I want to trade now with the 2000 because I really love this trading on an upward trend. That's why, friends, be ready to call option right now, and let's do that. I'm pretty sure. Wow. Yes, amazing. Wow, one more profitable trade. Wow, I'm getting goosebumps. That's why I definitely recommend to use this strategy and have really profitable session by your own. That's why exactly I get in my own community of traders, where I share my free signals and useful knowledges with you that will be very helpful for you for your own trade. And now I think I'll check my third currency, Great Britain and US dollar. Let's see how the situation changed there. Oh, it's a little bit different, but be sure that you can apply this strategy to any situation on market, okay? And this is also not bad when you see this candle is getting higher to the up band of Donchian channel, and we have this intersection at Stochastic, and this is a perfect signal actually for us. And that's why I will make here a very big trade, I think, with also $2,000. Yes. Now, friends, be ready to call the option right now. Perfect and profitable trades. Thanks, amazing strategy, I think. Look at my balance now. I have more than 5,000 on my account, which is wow. I definitely recommend you to try this very simple strategy that gives very reliable signals. Now I think that I want to finish here because I need to go and I have to stop. I want to relax a little bit and get some yoga classes now as my daily routine because my dear friends, thanks for watching, thanks for being with me, because today was some special strategy and it works perfectly, just I was dreaming about. And friends, you can do the same, but be very accurate, okay? And don't use your whole wallet. And for the first, if you're a beginner, use demo version. And I am welcome you at my Telegram channel, at my beautiful community. And if you wanna try, you definitely have to follow and be part of it. I'll see you there at my VIP chat. I'll see your comments under my videos, and I'll see your subscribes, and I'll see new followers. Just come and stay, learn how to make money online from anywhere in the world. Bye bye.